Today I'm going to teach you how to make these geometric coasters out of chipboard using your Cricut Maker. If you want to make your own geometric designs, make 4 4-inch circles, 4 more 3.6-inch circles, and then experiment using the shape tool and create rectangles to make your own geometric designs. If you'd like to use my design, visit bit.ly/geometric coasters and you can create the exact coasters that I made. To begin the cut, replace the fine point blade with your knife blade. It's really quick and easy to switch the blades out. If you're using my design from Design Space, the first cut will be the chipboard coasters. You're going to attach the chipboard to a heavy grip mat using masking tape, and then you're going to insert it into the Maker, and Cricut will prompt you as to what to do next. Make sure that you check halfway through the cuts. You're going to press pause on the machine because it's not going to actually need as many cuts as it says it needs. This is the biggest lesson that I learned with my first time cutting chipboard with my Cricut Maker. If you're using my design, the next step is to replace the knife blade with a fine point blade and then cut out the vinyl designs for the top of the coasters. Make sure that you change the material type when you're cutting, and the Cricut will prompt you for each matte change for each different colored vinyl. Next, you're going to weed the designs by removing the excess vinyl, and I was able to do this with my hands because the designs are pretty big, not too intricate. Then you're going to apply a layer of transfer tape over top. I wanted my coasters to be copper, so I spray painted them before I proceeded to this next step, but that's totally optional. Next, you're going to apply the vinyl design by pressing down over the top of the coaster. I was really careful to make sure that the transfer tape didn't remove the spray paint, so this was a little bit harder than if you hadn't spray painted the coasters, but either way, you're going to want to press the design over top, making sure that you center it, and then rub over top to make sure the vinyl gets applied, and then peel back the transfer tape. And that's it! Chipboard is one of my favorite things to cut with my Cricut Maker and knife blade. This project was so quick and easy, and it would make a really awesome DIY gift.